Hello everyone, welcome ulit sa Tower PH TV. So another figure unboxing tayo guys, and as you can see medyo kita na yung silhouette niya with the number 24. So guys, kung ito, let's check it out after this intro. So yan guys, in front of us we got this legend creation na figure ni Kobe Bryant. This actually knockoff version. Yan, nakita lang natin siya sa Green Hills, and big shoutout kay Kuya Lester sa WRC Toys dyan sa Green Hills. Yun, so sa kanya natin to nakuha, and also big shoutout sa kasama natin sa work si Golds. Yun, big shoutout sa Golds. And yun, so ito yung pinaka figure niya, pinaka box. As said, medyo kinopya lang siya, and very reasonable price naman yung pagkakakuha natin dito. Of course, anything Kobe we are collecting, and ito yung front ng box niya. Ang ganda ng graphics, no? Yun, so the Lakers logo, and sa back you got this Motion Masterpiece Series 1 Kobe Bryant, 1:9 scale Motion Masterpiece collectible figure. And so hindi lang nakalagay dito kung saan siya gawa, but most likely this is made in China. So yan, so pag tinignan natin yung loob niya, actually na-open to. So ayun yung figure ni Kobe Bryant. Medyo hindi natin ang konti ilaw, and some accessories dun sa nasa bandang likod niya, yung mga accessories. And yan, let's open it up na. This will be part of my personal collection, and it will be added dun sa ating mga display. So actually back in box siya nung pinunta natin siya sa Green Hills, naka-display na siya. And yun nga, so nakita natin yung box, and we asked kung ano yun, and eventually kinuha na natin. Of course, anything Kobe Bryant, like figure, trading cards, yan, medyo marami tayo yan, as you can see sa ating mga collections, no? And here's the figure ni Kobe Bryant. First time ko siyang makita, nakita ko na siya dun sa stall, pero ito, first time natin siyang mahawakan. And yung pinaka figure muna natin siya on the side. Ito yung mga accessories niya, meron siyang kasamang bola. This one parang pin, so sure kung pin siya or ano. Then different set of hands, nakasulat how ito, so lalagay siya ng mga hands para dun sa stand niya. And open na natin siya. Not sure kung naka-tape ito, but let's see how we can take it from that. So may tape siya dito sa side. Hindi ko lang i-remove yung tape. Tape dito sa kabilang side. So sumunod natin iba, so we can have some space, and ito ang laman niya. So yung stand, it's from How Kai Toy. You can see this one, How Kai Toy. And it has this stickers, and it's actually a knockoff of Enterbay. So alam ko yung original niya is Enterbay, and this one is Enterbay, and it just shows how to assemble yung stand. So wala pa akong first-hand experience dyan sa Enterbay, but I see them din sa mga toy shop. on the expensive side siya, but hopefully we can get that one and magkaroon tayo ng comparison, no? But since we have this muna, let's work on this figure. So yung mga hand gestures ni Kobe, pointing up, 3 points, so yung hands, and para this mga connector sa stand. I'm interested with this one. I think this is the pin, so para sa pag stand to put yung Lakers and yung bola. I'm not sure kung may magnet yun sa ball, so meron siyang parang metal dun sa side, but I think may magnet siya para mahawakan ni Kobe yung bola. Let's try. So yun, so may magnet na yung ball para mahawakan ni Kobe. So let's try to set it up and tignan muna natin yung details or yung ano na figure. So for the ball, may pagka-plastic siya, but the pinaka writing ay naman spalding, then may mga ano lang, parang kumalat yung mga paint, and it has this NBA logo. As said, yan, knock-off lang to. As for the part, ito medyo rubber material, so from Hawkeye toy. And yung figure niya, so if you see yung face ni Kobe, yung may parang konting hair strand, so meron din siyang tattoo, then this arm sleeve. So since knock off siya, yung mga movement niya medyo loose, no? And the material itself naman din, so gamit fabric, mukhang okay naman. So we can extend yung arm, ito medyo maluwag sa part nito, you can twist, so yung elbow niya, then yung hand, you can rotate yung head left to right, oops, up down, hindi masyado ano, but then you can simply put that back in. So mas tight itong left sa right side ng right arm niya compared sa left arm. Parang may pagka butterfly but not really, hindi mo siya ma-forward ng todo. As for the foot, not really moving the shorts na rin, so you can twist the knees hanggang paganyan. Then may sleeve din, then may sock. I think this is a Kobe, I'm not sure which model ng Kobe shoes itong ginamit, not sure kung saang lineup, but parang wala siyang counterpart, dahil siguro since this knockoff, medyo iniwas nilang magkaroon ng branding, except of course for the Lakers brand. So at the back, ayun, Bryant 24, yung texture ng head niya parang may mga maliliit na hair, pero more on sa ano lang din, yung rubber lang din. And yun, yun yung articulation niya, and as said, merong magnet dito where you can put in yung ball para mahawakan. As for the rest, yun lang ang may magnet, so yung ibang mga kamay niya walang magnet. Ayan. As for the height of the figure, without the stand, it's almost 9 inches, so around 8.6 inches yung height niya. Ayan. So in terms of quality guys, since it's knock-off, hindi ko medyo ma-compare dun sa Enterbay na original, but hopefully if we can get our hands on one, we can do a comparison, but this will be part of my collection, so I will be putting this on display. So yan guys, with the stand, so actually there are 9 holes din sa stand na pwede mong paglagyan ng mga stand nya or parang mga poles. So from the pole, yung pinaka main pole nya is this one. Medyo plastic lang siya, and I'm not sure it can really carry the weight ng item or ni Kobe for in the long run. Pero meron siyang clip, then meron siyang magnet. So from here, ma-magnet mo si Kobe, then you can do yung different articulation niya or poses niya. So yun, and pwede mo siyang i-pose na parang doing a layup. And yung isa, yung parang pinaka-pin niya is this one, so pwede mo siyang ilagay din sa isa sa mga butas doon. Then this here, pwede mo namang ilagay din yung bola just in case naka-stand lang si Kobe, so may magnet din siya doon. Ayan, so pwede mo ilagay doon. So maganda yung articulation niya and different poses niya, and pwede nga siyang ilagay sa display. So yan yung ating figure ng Kobe Bryant guys. As said, medyo hindi siya original. Copy lang siya ng original na Enter Bay, but I think this is a good start if you want to have a Kobe Bryant na figure sa inyong collection na pwedeng display with the right articulation, ma-setup. And aside from this, meron pa silang ibang mga figures like Steph Curry, LeBron James. So if you're on a budget, yan, I do suggest to get this one muna. And maganda nga siyang ilagay sa inyong collection. And kung magkaroon na kayo ng extra budget, then saka nyo na lang then look for the original one, Enter Bay, which is more on the expensive side. And I think may mga skills din siya from 1:9, and this one is 1:9, and the others 1:6. So yun guys, again, big shoutout kay Kuya Lester dyan sa WRC Toys sa Green Hills sa 2nd floor, and salamat din kay Gold sa kasama natin sa work. So yung kabady-body ko pag nag-iikot sa Green Hills to look for some figures, cards, and toys. So kapag-ikot kami, and sometime soon siguro makakapag-ikot ulit kami. Not sure lang kung pwede mag-video doon, but I was able to see Carlo Opren. Nahiya lang tayong lumapit, but next time maybe, and we'll try to do some videos din sa mga naiikutan natin. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, Hampas Lupang Burgess, si John RT Vlog, si Taysen by Tesha, of course. Big shoutout kay Mami Madselan and Mami Belsato, and kay Dario HLJ. And big shoutout din sa ating mga kaibigan ng mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, bloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. Of course, sa mga collectors ng figure and mga fans ni Kobe Bryant. And yun, medyo mahaba na yung video. Kita-kita lang tayo sa susunod pa nating mga videos guys. Maraming salamat sa pag-join. See you ulit soon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share this video, especially sa mga kaibigan natin na nagko-collect ng figures ni Kobe Bryant. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV. Yun, hanggang dito lang guys. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating pa mga susunod na videos.